Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to study nitrogen cycle. The first and the most important thing that we have to know about the nitrogen cycle is that our atmosphere has a 78% nitrogen gas. As nitrogen is one of the essential constituents of all living organisms, part of protein, chlorophyll, nucleic acid and vitamin. Now we cannot take atmospheric nitrogen directly or nor animals or nor plants. So what happen actually that bacteria, blue green algae, they are present in the soil. They fix nitrogen from the atmosphere and convert it into the compound of nitrogen. This is the first step. Now once nitrogen is converted into this usable compound, it can be utilized by plants from the soil through the root system. Now either animal feeding on plants get the protein or the plant dies. When plants and animal dies, bacteria and fungi present in the soil convert the nitrogenous waste into nitrogen's compound to be used by plant again. Now certain other bacteria convert some part of the nitrogen gas which goes back into the atmosphere. As a result, the percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere remains more or less constant. Once again we revise nitrogen cycle. Now our atmosphere has a 78% nitrogen gas. That nitrogen is one of the most essential constituents of living organism as a part of protein, nucleic acid, chlorophyll and vitamins. Neither the plants nor the animals can take atmospheric nitrogen directly. So, blue and green algae that present in a soil that convert nitrogen from the atmosphere into nitrogen compounds. Now once nitrogen is converted into these usable compounds, it can be utilized by plants from soil through the root system. Now it is used for the synthesis of plant proteins and other compounds. Animal feeding on plants of these proteins and other nitrogen compounds when animals or plants died. That bacteria and fungi present in the soil convert the nitrogen waste into nitrogenous compound to be used by plant again. Now certain other bacteria convert some part of the nitrogen gas which goes back to the atmosphere again and again. And the result is that the percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere remains more or less constant.